Hi, I'm Gerald Wessels with the Wessels Realty team, and this is the episode 2 in our ongoing series on real estate. When you get ready to sell that precious home of yours, everyone has a number of things they want to go just right. But the main thing that people are looking for is the best price that they can get for their home. Some time ago I came up with a little acrostic just to help me remember the things that I tell all of my clients when they're getting ready to sell that home. And I know that no acrostic is perfect, but I want you to see how this could actually help in the value of your home. Several years ago there was a study done, and typically when you do upgrades on your house, a lot of times you only get about 67.5% return on that. But these are things that you can do quickly that will help in the value of your home. In fact, I tell my clients all the time, your home can be either worth 10% over the average or 10% under the average based on the condition of your home. So what are we going to do to get the price, P-R-I-C-E, for the home you want? Well, number one, maybe not in priority, but stands for P, is paint. Now what we're talking about is simply neutralizing the colors of your house. There's a lot of homes that I go and look at and the main level is perfect. But when you go upstairs you see a hot pink or a vibrant blue up there. The main thing that you want to do is you want to neutralize and lighten about anything you possibly can do in the house. Do a little spackling, do a little caulking, paint up, touch up those bad places, and I will guarantee you it will help in the value of your home. R stands for repair. There was a time in my life that I was a car salesman. And as a car salesman, I'm going to tell you a little secret that we used to do. It's called the silent walk around. When a car was coming in for a trade, you never endeared yourself to the customer to go around and say, well, that dent's big and that just won't sell. We did a silent walk around. We would just simply touch each one of those little dings. And that would say subconsciously to the seller or the person that was trading the car in that no, that car is not in excellent condition. It's got a few bumps and bruises, and that's going to damage the trade-in value of their car. Well, you know, a home's the same way. I do a lot of open houses, and when I have an open house going on one of my listings, I'm always amazed at how people will go through the house and they'll say, "What's that? What's that?" Well, I even talk about what are the what's that's in your home. Go through your home, have somebody that has a neutral eye, that doesn't know your home very well, and have them point out the things that might cause questions for a prospective buyer and repair those items. I stands for ice. Now I know that no acrostic is perfect, and this has actually become a joke with some of my friends, but I just tell the people they need to ice down the personal effects of their home. No matter how much you love that picture from the past, no matter, ladies, how much you appreciate that Afghan or something you knitted or a trophy that's on the wall, we want that prospective buyer to be thinking about themselves and their family and their grandchildren and children in the house, not you. And so you need to go through and ice down all those personal effects so their focus will be on that home and how they would live in that home rather than yourself. C, well, you know, you all are smart, and you probably already know what C stands for. C stands for curb appeal. Now, certainly you could go through and you could spend thousands of dollars getting that house to look just exactly perfect. It could be a picture perfect for a magazine. But I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the simple things. Mow the grass, trim the bushes, edge the lawn. All those kinds of things make that house look perfect when the people pull up and see that house for the very first time. I know that it goes without saying, you never have a second chance to make that first impression. But remember that is the first thing they're going to see with that house. And they're going to think in their mind, that first impression gives them a clue on how you've taken care of the rest of the house. And they want that house to be well taken care of. And then finally, E stands for Enlighten. Once again, I know I'm stretching the definition, but we're just simply saying that we want an open and well-lit house. We don't want the drapes shut. We don't want the curtains drawn. We want it as open and airy as possible. So in the future, when you're getting ready to put your house on the market and you want the best price possible, remember, P. Pick up that gallon of paint and that paintbrush and touch up those areas that needed to be painted for some time. Repair all those little things like the plumbing problems and some of those items that you've been putting off that need to be done. Ice down those personal effects. Take down that favorite picture of Grandpa. I know he means a lot to you, but take it down for just a little bit. Brush up on the curb appeal, and then finally make sure that it's open and airy and light. I'm Gerald Wessels with the Wessels Realty team, and I want to help you get the price for your home that you want.